In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your contacts into Mailchimp efficiently and effectively. If you've ever wondered how to bring your existing list of contacts into Mailchimp, whether they're stored in an Excel or CSV file, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, go ahead and look for the audience section. This is where all your valuable contacts will be managed. It's like the command center for your email marketing efforts, helping you keep track of your subscribers, customers, and anyone else you want to reach out to. Once you're in the audience section, you'll need to locate and click on the Manage Audience drop-down menu. From there, you'll see an option that says Import Contacts. This is the gateway to bringing all those contacts from your Excel or CSV file directly into Mailchimp. Click on that. Now it's time to choose how you'll import these contacts. Select Upload a File. This option is perfect if you've already got your contacts neatly organized in an Excel file or a CSV file. It's always a good idea to double check that your file is formatted correctly and that your columns are properly labeled before you proceed to avoid any hiccups along the way. After selecting Upload a File, click on Select File to navigate through your computer and pick the Excel or CSV file you wish to import. Once you've found it, click Open. Mailchimp will then take a moment to upload your file. It's helpful to ensure your internet connection is stable during this step to prevent any interruptions. Once your file is uploaded, you'll be prompted to map your Excel or CSV file columns to Mailchimp fields. This is where you'll marry the column headings from your file, like first name, last name, email address, with the fields Mailchimp uses to organize this same information. Mailchimp does a pretty good job at guessing these for you, but it's always wise to go over each one to ensure everything aligns properly. After you've mapped your fields, take a moment to review all the details. Mailchimp gives you a nice summary of what's about to happen with your import, so make sure everything looks right. Once you're satisfied, hit confirm. This sends your contacts on their merry way into your Mailchimp audience, and there you have it. Your contacts will now begin importing into your audience list. Depending on the size of your contact list, it might take a few moments, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Remember,